Alright, everything looked good and sounds good in the videos. So let's bump up the difficulty one more time with these 4-note coils. So, just got to be careful when you're going from the ascending to the descending. So basically think of it like you have the ascending pattern and then the descending pattern. Alright, count of 3 since we got a 3/4 time signature. And as always, you can work this up in like 2s or 1s. You can do 1 bar at a time, 2 bars at a time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's go to 80. 1, 2, 3. Hundred. 1, 2, 3. 20. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 140. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Let's give 160 a shot. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh, wrong string. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that's tough. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, man. All right, 120 for the repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. One more time to make sure I got 4 repeats instead of 3. 1, 2, 3. Man, that is a workout. All right, number 2, Drunken Gallop. Here we go, 60. 1E, a 2E, a 3E, a 4E, a 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 80, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 140. 1, 2, string 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh man, I may not be doing 140. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn, so close. 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo, man. All right, let's try the repeats at 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, that's a shame. Blew it on the 4th repetition. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. One more time. If I don't get it here, I'll drop it down to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hundred it is. This is a tough one. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Whew. Yeah. Take your time with both of these this week. Very difficult. All right, so we're going to do a similar thing with the scales this week. This time we're going to do 5 strings at a time. The first note for each section is at the start of the tab to help out. So basically going from the low E to the B string, and then so up one shape, down the next, but just E to the B. And then we'll do the same thing starting on the A string. So fill that in, send it on over, let's see what you get. For theory this week, we're going to do something to practice the different inversions. Different inversions. So, starting up here on the G, what we're going to do is change one note at a time to change chords. So we start with the root position, or you could say no inversion. Basically the root position triad, because it's still stacked up in order, the 1, the 3, and the 5. To get to the next chord, which is going to be the second inversion, we lower the root notes, in this case the bass notes, down. And when you're practicing this, a good idea, arpeggiate the chords to make sure you hear everything well. Something like that is good. So we drop that lower note, which gives us the B diminished over F, which is the second inversion. And then we're going to lower the middle notes, which gives us the first inversion of the D minor chord, so D minor over F. So again, we start by lowering the bottom note, then the middle notes, and then to start the next bar, we're going to lower the top notes. So root position, second inversion, first inversion. Root position, lower the bottom note to the second inversion, lower the middle note to get to the first inversion, lower the top note to get to the root position. Bottom moves, middle, top. Bottom, middle, top. Bottom, middle, top. Bottom, middle, top. So after you play through that, seeing the idea, you get to input the rest. So this next group will start on the A string, and then the next group starts on the D string, and then the last group, which is cut off on the screen there, but they'll start on the G string. So big thing, so this one, actually let me help you out with what you're going to start with. So we're going to start on C major for this. So we want to label the chord name and the chord number that goes along with it. And the next one we're going to start with the E minor. And the last one we're going to start with the A minor. Okay, so when you're running through it, I'm going to do this kind of quick, because I want you to be able to think about what's happening and be able to do it. But yeah, the same idea. You're just going to move the bottom note, middle, top, bottom, 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 middle, top. Move the bottom, move the middle, top note, bottom note, middle, top, bottom, 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 middle, top. Bottom note, middle note, top note, bottom note, middle notes, top, bottom, middle, 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 top. So it's going to go like that. Okay. Any questions? Let me know. I'll see you again in your new videos.